In this video, we're going to be looking at 3 drills that I use towards the start of a warm-up during the raise, especially the running drills phase. So any warm-up, especially in a pitch-based environment or court-based, is going to start with jogging. Walking or jogging 30 to 50 metre lengths to get things rolling. From there, I add in these 3 drills. We add the knee hug, pulling the knee to the chest. We add the gates. We can open the gate and close the gate. And finally, we add the tabletops, where we simply grab the foot, pull it into this position. So great for the hamstrings and the glutes, mobilising the hips. Now, as we're in the warm-up, we want to start getting the juices flowing, raise that deep muscle temperature, get the circulation going. We can just add them to a walk, pulling the knee up every few strides, and then progress to that jogging. So we can jog, open the gate, jog, close the gate. Final demonstration, jogging along, grab the foot, pull it up, carry on jogging, grab the foot, pull it up. So these can be done stationary, however they work really well as we're moving along. Just starts things off, gets the juices flowing, mobilises the joints, prepares us for the session at hand. Let's take a quick look at these drills in an outdoor setting.